So in this video, we are going to compare Copy.ai and Jasper.ai, which is the two AI-powered writing tools. So first, in Copy.ai, it specializes in quick, creative content generation. So the pros of it is easy to use interface or a friendly user interface, and it is also great for marketing content, and it is also affordable. So the cons of it is it has only limited customization. While on Jasper.ai, it focuses on high quality, customizable writing for various industries. So the pros of it is extensive templates, the customization options, and the powerful long form writing. And the cons of it, of course, it has a higher price tag. So in comparison, choose Copy.ai for quick content generation and choose Jasper.ai for in-depth, high-quality writing. In conclusion, for simple marketing tasks, Copy.ai works great. And for professional content, Jasper.ai excels.